tutorial to how to make a master chef's omelette. Well, I'm not actually a master chef, but it's an omelette. First, get 3 eggs. If you do anything under 3, you're basically a psychopath. Crack the mold into a bowl, but do not use a fork or a spoon. Instead, we are doing the, I don't know, what do you call it, the Japanese style. So you're gonna need chopsticks to mix it up. Crack the egg. I'm done cracking. So now you're gonna put salt in there, alright? Get it? Open the box. And put a recognizable amount of salt in there. Alright, and then close the box back. Washi, washi, washi. And the scariest part of all time for me. Put some black pepper in it. I know a lot of incidents happened before, but I don't know about this one. Will I spill everything? Or will I get it just correct? Let's open it. 3, 2, 1. Oh, I actually got a decent amount. And put that decent amount into the pan. I put too much again. I don't care. Just, wait. Let me get this straight. Wait. How do I close this thing? Alright. Got it. Then put it back. And then get a pan. Alright. Now, open the thing and set it to 400 or 300. 200 or 300. 200 to 400. Yeah, 200 to 400. But for me, I'm gonna go for the. If you want it soft, 200. If you want it the crunchy, 400. But don't do 800 because you're a psychopath. And then you gotta mixy this thing up. Let's talk about something while we're mixing. How does my channel mix purposes? Well, I changed from game introduction to gaming videos to animation and now cooking stuff. Because, I don't really got time for gaming and time for animation. Because even though the Sock School animation is episode 1 is almost coming out, I never actually had the time to finish it. And the Material Universe, scrap that. I already got a lot of ideas, but I have no time for it. And then the worst of all, and all should I say, the best of all, my channels is going down. Over the past, for 2 or 3 years, my channel's only got 300 subscribers, and that means that I'm going to downfall or something. But hey, at least I'm still holding my glory and not losing subscribers. It's just not gaining any. And all I have is to show my friends this cooking videos, which I'm so doing right now. And then I'll make a vote in the community if I should continue the gaming animation or just start over the cookings again, because I think it's enough. Get these foam out of here. I don't like it. And then we're gonna save this chopstick because we're gonna need it for later. So just let it hang on a salt box. Yes, salt box. Alright. And then see if it is hot enough. I don't think it is. Yeah, I think it is. And then wait. Good enough. Yeah, I think good enough. And then put butter into the pan. wait. Alright, I'm back. I didn't actually have any ideas to put the butter. I just take a fork. Now watch as I take the. I set it to 400 because 200 isn't really working. So yeah, just let the butter melt, and only when it is almost melting, then let the eggs drop it. Now I'm using my camera to know where the stuff are, but I think we should get a better quality. I can't even see anything on the camera right now. Also, I'm having a hiccup, which we usually do, but no, right. Which we usually do, but I don't think that's a problem in cooking. Only when you're in like a drinking water contest, you cook again. And now I'll let the butter slide melt. Let it melt. I know more talking. I'm gonna skip. And then look at that. You're gonna see that it's almost melting, but I don't think it will melt. So yeah, just give it the little bit of just give it a little bit of hum and then. Good. The butter is almost melting, so I think it's time for me to pour in my eggs. So yeah, but I just did it. Now we're gonna whisk it. But I'm gonna skip the whisking cut. So it's just a waste of time for me to record, and I can do it with one hand. What do you expect? And remember this: cooking with one hand is absolutely not good. Guys, I messed up. The omelette is now a scrambled egg. Well, that's it for today. Bye.